I accidentally came across this, but Apple and Google partner on CV contact tracing technology, a joint effort to enable the use of Bluetooth technology to help governments and health agencies reduce the spread of the virus. They're listening in. Sounds like they're listening in to see if you cough or whatever. And I smoke cigarettes and I smoke my medical weed, and I cough because of that. And I'm constantly saying smokers cough. Even when I'm out in public, I'll say that because of all the stuff over the years, especially around election time, when they're going to be wanting people to beg for a vaccine and put their faith in science. But anyway, right before I got on here, my screen went completely black, and I believe they were taking a snapshot of me through my camera, because I don't have my camera lens covered at the moment, and at certain times, I can tell when they're trying to take a snapshot real quick, but your camera light won't kick on, and sometimes your screen will do that. So anyway, I'm going to read this real quick, and then I'm going to leave a link below. Y'all can read it. Alright, I got it in a couple sentences here. Google launching a comprehensive solution that includes application programming, interfaces, APIs, and operating system level technology to assist in enabling contact tracing. Given the urgent need, the plan is to implement the solution in 2 steps while maintaining strong protections around user privacy. Bam! Just as I suspected before I turned the page to read into this. So they're listening to see if you cough or complain about any sicknesses or ailments or whatever. They're listening and diagnosing you. And so they can come into people's homes and take you out and put you in a box somewhere, I guess, instead of treating you with natural ways and natural things. But you better watch your ass. You better be walking around your house saying smokers cough if you smoke and cough. Just saying. Or whatever. Because they're fucking recording you and listening in. Wow. I'll leave a link below.